Hi everybody, this is Yusuf. I will go through insert command in this video and the basic usage for it. Later we can go in deep and discuss how we can combine multiple tables with the insert query and blah blah blah. And let's start. So how to add new items into your table? As you can see here, insert query has three parts: table name, columns name, and then values. The order of the command is as follows. First, we have to write the keyword insert to, then we'll define the table name here. After that, the columns list. Fourth, we have to use a keyword called values or value. If we have one value, we can use both values and value. Or if we have multiple, we have to use values. And fifth, we have to use the value list or the sequence of the values based on the column order. In some cases, we are not adding values to nullable column, and this can come later. So by defining which column, you have to use the same sequence in the values part as I mentioned. So if we have ID, number, name, you have to go the same in the value section. First ID, then the number, then after that the name. Let's go the first our example. As you can see, we have a table called student. In this table there are three columns: ID, student name, school name. We want to insert values here. So how to form our query? The answer of this is very simple. In the student name, you can write it as follow: insert into student, the table name, then the column list, ID, student name, school name. Then we use the keyword values, or we can use value. Then we'll list all our value. So congratulations, you inserted your first data record in the table. Then the question is asked how to form your query to add multiple items in the same statement. Same structure as previously shown, but now instead of closing the statement with a semicolon, just add a comma and you add your next value array. Once you run the command successfully, you will get the result and insert it directly into your table multiple record. You have successfully completed this action. So now you know how to add one value and multiple values. Just a quick tip, you can skip your column's name, but be careful in the order of the values. If you want to mention the column's name, you can do it, but be careful. You have to go the same order or the same sequence in the values listing based on your columns order. So congratulations, you did it. And this is only used if you have already existing table with the same structure and you exported all data and you can insert it directly to your table. So thank you for watching this video, and let's hope we will meet again soon.